Welcome to this Union Pacific GP38-2 diesel-electric locomotive. This brief introduction will cover startup and stopping operations. Climb aboard to get started. Lights help an engineer see inside the engine room. A lot of time will be spent in the engineer's seat. The locomotive's auxiliary systems are now ready to be energized. The power unit is ready to be started. Head over to the engine room. The power unit requires the fuel to be primed before starting. The power unit is now ready to start. With the power unit running, head back to the cab. The locomotive controls are currently isolated. Adjust the isolator in order to use them. Return to the engineer's seat to continue. The brake mode needs to be set in order to take control of the brakes of the train from this cab. Releasing the automatic brake will allow the air system to charge. The independent brake can now be applied to hold the train. The locomotive's brakes must be charged before they can be applied. With the independent brake holding the train, release the handbrake. To get the train ready to move, insert the reverser handle. The reverser is used to set the direction of travel. Interior lights let you see the cab better. Exterior lights are important in letting others around know that this is an operational train. To prevent the train from rolling back, apply a small amount of throttle as instructed. It's time to get moving. Release the independent brake. Increase the throttle to start moving. Do not apply. With the train now moving, It's possible to apply more power and focus can be diverted towards achieving a desired speed. There's a short distance between here and the end of Newell Yard. Attention can be diverted to judging the required braking distance and preparing to stop. Apply a small amount of brake force to achieve a comfortable, safe stop. Well done! Practice makes perfect. That concludes all the basics of this locomotive.